Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai visa extensions. And are there any processing time? Is there sort of a set processing time? Wow. Okay, first of all, let's be clear as to what we're talking about here. We're talking about Thai visa extension. We are not talking about Thai visas issued outside of Thailand. We're not talking about visas issued at embassies. We're talking about you're in the country. You're here in Thailand, you've got a visa, for example, a business visa, an O visa, OA visa, education visa, and you're looking to extend it. Again, I always hate sounding like a broken record here, but every office is going to be kind of different. So if you're living in Rayong, the Rayong Immigration Office may have a different processing time than, say, the Jomtien Immigration Office or Bangkok. That's the first thing to understand. Now, there are protocols, and over the years, we've seen some of the documentation pertaining to the internal protocols associated with adjudication of visa extensions. But long story short, it's very much at the discretion of the adjudicating officer. It's been our experience that, for example, with Thai business visas, usually we can get those extended, within an afternoon or a morning. Retirement visas generally similar. But that does not really indicate, it kind of belies, if anything, an even greater process, especially with business visas associated with the documentation necessary to extend the visa in the first place. That documentation can take weeks to obtain. Usually here in our office, when we're assisting folks with a Thai business visa application, we are looking at a situation where you're doing 4 to 6 weeks of just getting the documentation together just to go file for the business visa extension. Call it a number of days, oftentimes associated with retirement visas to get the documentation associated with that. But again, the actual office visit we often find will be within a day, usually an afternoon or a morning. We like to get there early before so we can get it out before lunch. And quite honestly, most immigration officers are pretty keen to do that because they want to go to lunch. And then after lunch, if we go that route, then we like to get it done before the close of business that day. Again, immigration officers, where the documentation is in order, seem pretty conducive to want to do that. So long story short, the actual extension process is going to take probably something within a day. But the support work necessary to go ahead and have your ducks in a row to get that visa process through, that extension process through, that could take days, if not weeks, depending on the visa category you're talking about.